Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering and pairing the headphones. Charge them to full and open the Beats app so you can access firmware updates. Once done, enable Bluetooth on your phone and put the Studio Pro into pairing mode by holding the power button until the LED blinks. Pair through the OS Bluetooth list, then confirm in the Beats app. This step ensures secure connections and lets the app configure codecs and initial settings for best audio and ANC performance. Once paired, update firmware immediately to fix bugs and unlock features. The app guides you through it and may restart the headphones. Next, fine-tune active noise cancellation and transparency. Try adaptive ANC for mixed environments, then switch presets to hear differences. Adjust EQ and choose the best codec for your device, like AAC on iPhone or aptX on Android, to reduce latency and improve fidelity. Make sure to test with familiar tracks, so you finish by customizing controls and verifying microphone performance for calls. Program single press functions in the app and practice them. Store the headphones in the case to preserve battery and fabric. Try a factory reset if things act up. Press and hold power and volume buttons together until the LED changes. If pairing still fails, clear your device Bluetooth cache and remove old pairings, then repair from scratch. That usually resolves interference or stale connection problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.